For decades, Mo-Tune has developed high-performance synthetic ester-based lubricants. The 300Vi line includes the latest evolutions of Mo-Tune's proprietary Ester Core technology to ensure maximum engine power output without compromising reliability and wear protection. Mo-Tune has created a perfect synergy formula to increase performance and protection of the engine, selecting esters over other high-performance synthetic and organic-based stocks and combining them with an innovative additive package. Type of use: circuit, drag race, drift, endurance, GT, hill climb, historic racing, rally cross, track days, tuning. Consult your tuning service partner for appropriate type of use. This exclusive racing formulation now features biofuels, especially ethanol, and particulate filter compatibility, LSPI protection, and lowers environmental impact. Esters are polar molecules, hence are attracted to metallic surfaces. Ester Core technology features optimized polarity for maximal adherence of the oil film to increase engine protection, reliability and drivability, even in most extreme conditions.